Hey YouTube, as I mentioned in a previous video, we're going to try to sharpen this tramontina machete, which does not come sharp out of the box as well, with the Smith's knife sharpener that I've used for many years. It's been proven a very reliable tool. And now, as I said in my previous video, that the machete comes with a kind of a sharp edge here, but a very dull here edge up front. For the tip of the machete, probably you're going to have to use, I'm going to have to use either electric grinder or a metal stone. Probably I'm going to take it to some professional to sharpen it, because as you can see, there is a lot of metal that needs to be removed here in order to have a tip. It will not cut it all, but as you move to the back, it has some edge to it. So we're going to use this Smith's knife sharpener with this. We're going to see that's quite of an easy process to do it, and then I'm going to test it with some paper here, see if we've done any progress with it. I'm going to put some kitchen table here to see if there's any residue from the machete. And so we're always using protective gloves here, and I'm going to use the fine edge. It has a coarse edge as well, but I'm going to use the fine edge because it, as I said in the beginning, it has some edge to it. So let's start. Put it like here. I can only we're doing something here. Probably do it over 10 times. So, as you can see, it kind of cuts, but it's not razor sharp. You don't need to have a razor sharp machete in order to cut small leaves or branches or stuff like that. But I believe with 10-20 strokes with a knife sharpener, if you have around at home, you can do a job that is quite better than the original edge that this one had when I first bought it. Again, for the tip, probably we're going to need a metal grinder or some sort of more specified tool for this tip. So, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.